Hi, Alex Carlucci here. I haven't been here on the videos in a long time. Sorry about that, but I'm back. Alex Carlucci with Gustin Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about cash out. I am seeing a lot of cash out refinances right now. We've got home equity lines, we've got bank statement loans, P&L cash out, credit scores down to 500, FHA, VA cash out, conventional above 620 cash out refinances. I would take advantage of getting cash out of your house if you think you're going to need it. You never know what's going to happen in this economy. It seems really tough out there for a lot of people. So use your equity to survive through this, I think, whatever recession is coming, but who knows? They're saying on TV there's no recession coming. I disagree. I'm seeing a slowdown. So capture your equity while you have it, and your credit score is still good before you get all messed up and start going late on stuff if that were to happen to you. So if you feel like that's about to happen, we got all sorts of programs, low doc, full doc, no doc, cash out refinance. Give me a call, 630-915-7550. Thank you.